Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be giving you guys 5 tips on how to maintain your braids. But before we get into that, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more. Give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have not seen this hairdo, go ahead and check out my Bohemian Twist hairdo. And if you have not seen this natural summer makeup tutorial, go ahead and check that out also. And I also have a video on this eyebrow tutorial, so go ahead guys and catch up on some videos that you have not catch up on. Go ahead also and hit that notification bell so you guys will be the first to get notified when I post my next video. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. So let's get right into it. So tip number 1 is redoing your edges. So redoing your edges on a daily basis can add a new and fresh look to your braids. So whatever edge control you use, you can just go ahead on a daily basis, whether you're going out or you're not going out, and just touch up your edges just to add a new and fresh look to your braids. So this is the edge control that I use, but you can use whichever one is your favorite. So tip number 2 is covering your hair at night. So covering your hair at night with a silk or a satin scarf can help to keep your hair all together without having it flying away while you sleep. And that can help to preserve your hairstyle for whatever amount of weeks or days you choose to keep that. Made it this far into this video and you have not already subscribed? What are you waiting for? Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more, and like this video, leave a comment so I know you stopped by, and let's continue. So tip number 3 is oiling and moisturizing your scalp. So this is the hair oil that I use for my hair. I really love it and I've been using it for a while, and I also use castor oil. So during the daytime when you're up and about, you can just moisturize your scalp and cover it with a satin scarf to lock in some moisture, and that can also help with your hair growth. So tip number 4 is always moisturize your braids. So whether you use oil sheen or any form of hair lotion, always moisturize your braids. Please don't leave your braids dry and thirsty. So for me, I use hair move, and I also use this oil sheen mixed with hair pink lotion. So I mix both of them together, and let me tell you, to be really honest, this is what I use to moisturize my braids from the root to the end, and I really love it. So whatever is your choice, just please don't leave your hair dry and begging for some moisture. Lastly, tip number 5, which is re-dipping your braids in hot water. So whether you want to dip them all entirely in hot water, or you just want to get a wet warm towel and just wrap it, and this can rejuvenate your braids and make them look brand new. A bonus tip for you guys. So please don't leave your braid in for more than 2 weeks. If you do that, you will experience some knots, and that can also damage your own hair, and you don't want that. Alright, so those are my 5 tips to maintaining your braids and keeping them nice and looking good. Remember, you spend a lot of money on your braids, and you want to make sure that you maintain them to get your money's worth. So I'm not wearing any braids right now, but those tips also goes for hairstyles like these. So I maintain my hair just the same, whether I have in braid or any form of twist. I use the same method of maintenance so my braids and my hairdo can last. You have it guys, your 5 tips. So thank you guys so much again for watching my video. Please don't forget to share the link with a friend, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.